Hang on. Alright. Yeah.
Alright guys, so welcome to the first episode of Rebellious Religion. Today we're going to be doing a input shaft bearing on my buddy's 2004 Eclipse. It's an F5 M42 transmission. He was having problems to where it was making a grinding noise. He thought it was the throwout bearing, but it unfortunately it was not. We ended up having to pull the transmission and replacing an input shaft bearing on it. It was making a grinding noise, and how we knew was when he pushed in the clutch, the noise went away. If it had been a bad throwout bearing, it would have made the noise with the clutch pushed in instead of pulled out like it was. So here's a short video of us just going around having some fun in the garage with the guys and, you know, getting that replaced so his car ran so he could go to work. I think we figured out the problem. Input shaft bearing. What way does this go on again? No, I'm just
Kidding people, I'm professional. RIP headphone users. Oh yeah.
Alright, let's get it back in.
Just a second. So give me just a second. I think the back end of it needs to go up, really.
Side towards you?
No. Okay.
Oh, back towards spiral.
It's stuck on the bolt. Oh! I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I caught it. It's on me though, so get the heck out of the way.
Alright.
Hold on, don't check it. Don't hurt baby. Oh, I'm fine.
I know. Wait.
Ow! Bitch. I mean, bleep.
Bleep. I'll bleep it out.
Have failure to communicate.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. As you can see, it worked out great. He was able to drive his car, no more grinding noise, anything like that. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel. Leave comments below of what you'd like to see next. Thanks.